So welcome back foodies. Guys, who doesn't like eating? But eating brings lots of weight, calories and fat. But what if I tell you that there's a way out? Yes, you guessed it right. I am at hashtag happy foods and we are going to have diet food today which will also taste delicious. So guys, let's eat. So guys, I'm with the owner and mastermind behind this cafe, Ekta. So Ekta, what's the central idea behind this cafe?
So basically, Sumedh, I'm a nutritionist, and it was always my passion to give people good food because what happens is कि diet people think it's all about bland food and salads and things like that. But whereas when I learned nutrition, I realized that it is tasty food. Diet means having tasty food because आपको आपके खाने से प्यार होना ज़रूरी है. So that's the reason we started with hashtag happy foods because diet is not sad, diet is happy. That's the whole idea behind it.
So how did you get this vast idea?
It's not a vast idea. Actually, Sumedh, I was 96 kgs and when I lost weight, I lost 30 kgs in 2 years eating tasty food, nice spicy food. So that's how I came up with this idea. And my whole concept is to make Pune fit. This is a city that I was born in and I love this city. I want people to become more fitter by eating good food. That's the whole concept.
So you basically combine taste with health and produce happiness, right?
Yes, and good looking food, which I'm sure you will experience now. So good looking food, good tasting food and healthy food.
So what will we be having today?
There's so much for you, Sumedh. I'll give you my favorite chicken steak with brown rice and tossed veggies and cream sauce. Yes, cream sauce is diet food, yes. So you don't need to worry about the brown rice. It tastes brilliant, high fiber. Along with that, I'm giving you some cheesecake bite. It's a bite-sized cheesecake. Yes, cheese is diet again. And all of the desserts made in stevia because I don't promote chemical-based sugar-frees. And I have a special surprise for you, which do you want me to disclose now or later?
No, surprise me. So yes, guys, this sounds really interesting. So let's eat and not gain calories.
Yes, not gain any weight and gain happiness. Let's not forget that.
So yes, guys, let's eat. So guys, our food is ready. This is our first dish and you can feel the aroma. Wow, it's looking delicious. Yes, thank you. Wow. So what is it?
This is chicken steak. And the steak has been marinated in chimichurri sauce. So there's a lot about it. First you dig into it and then I'll tell you what all it is about.
Okay, so can you please...
I want to get rid of the mic. Yeah, please enjoy your food. So that is the chicken steak that is marinated in chimichurri sauce, which was invented by chef Jimmy McQuarrie in Argentina, that's North America, in the 19th century. And who could have thought that back then people thought about diet food? So, yeah. And that's brown rice with it and some tossed veggies.
It has a smoky flavor and a cheesy flavor mixed with that smoky flavor. So actually, we should thank Mr. McQuarrie and yes for inventing this, and thank you. So basically, guys, I love it. So it tastes good with rice as well as the tossed veggies. So I'll have tossed veggies now. Awesome. Okay, guys, so we are done with our dish and it's time for desserts now.
No, wait. Endings should be sweet, but before that, we have a surprise. You forgot, I told you you have a surprise.
So, yes, let's go for the surprise.
And the surprise is coming in with my chef, and I call him Chef Ali Khan. So, here he comes. Let me clear.
Hello, hello.
This is Chef Rohan, our specialist and our magician, and a couple of friends of mine call him Jadugar. So, क्या जादू किया है रोहन जरा?
So आज
Okay, so this is pure dum biryani.
yes sir.
ये ऐसे क्यों कवर किया है रोहन? क्या है इसमें बताओ?
आप ही देखिए.
So it looks delicious and perfectly garnished with brown onion and coriander, and it has a perfect orange color on top of it. So yes, let's dig in.
He's very particular about digging into the biryani. Sumedh is like biryani के अंदर ऐसे ही dig in किया जाता है because he calls biryani an emotion. Well, I call it an emotion called love, but then he says it's just an emotion because it brings out all emotions in a person.
So it has, you can feel the cardamom aroma of biryani. So it feels awesome. Matlab, the aroma is all over the place as soon as it arrives. So I'm sure it tastes really good. I'm very excited to have it. So what biryani is it?
This is actually a saffron matka dum biryani. You can taste it. Then I will tell you the inside the what kind of magic I have been used. Okay.
Okay. So how healthy is it?
This is made with brown rice, so it's got a lot of fiber and a lot of vitamin B12 in it because of the brown rice, and it's got mutton, succulent pieces of mutton which are well cooked in the dum, and it's made in ghee again, so it's super healthy and super fulfilling. It makes you full very nicely. He also calls it the Bakasur biryani because. So he'll tell you more. I don't want to disclose.
Okay. I'll first have it with mutton chunk. It's heaven. So the meat is perfectly cooked, and you get that zafrani flavor into your mouth. So it's awesome. The spices leave a very authentic biryani aftertaste. So yes, I like it. So share the magic in it.
येस ॲक्च्युली या बिर्याणीमध्ये या ज्या बिर्याणीची जी प्लेस ऑफ ओरिजिन आहे ती कराची आहे इन पाकिस्तान. सो 90sमध्ये याचं इनोव्हेशन झालेलं आणि याची जी हिस्ट्री आहे त्या काळी म्हणजे शहाजहानच्या काळी जेव्हा दम लावला जायचा ही जी मेथड ही त्या काळापासून आलेली आहे. तेव्हा एक कॉलरा नावाचा एक रोग आलेला. सो तेव्हा ते लोक दम लावायचे आणि लांब लांबपर्यंत पाठवायचे आणि मडक्यात वगैरे ठेवायचं. सो जेणेकरून त्याचा एक फ्लेवर यायचा आतमध्ये आणि लाईक टेस्ट पण चांगली लागायची. सो ती ही प्रोसेस आहे आणि देन जी ही बिर्याणी आहे याच्यामध्ये आमचे काही स्पेशल मसालेज आहेत लाईक पोटली मसाला वगैरे जो आम्ही इथे हाऊसमेड बनवतो आणि जो राईस आहे तो सुद्धा आम्ही ऑर्गॅनिक पद्धतीने पिकवलेलाच ऑर्डर करतो. सो हेच आहे त्याच्यामागचं.
Wow, Ekta, you have an in-house superstar with you, and you can't miss this matka, guys. Even if you take parcels, this matka goes with you.
Yes, because it's cooked in the matka, so we don't transfer it. We want the earthy taste. हम चाहते हैं कि धरती से जुड़े रहें लोग.
So yes, guys, I just have one more bite. Shuddh desi ghee taste. Wow, awesome. So guys, we are done with the surprise, and you guys have surprised me well with this awesome biryani, desi ghee biryani, and I guess now it's time for dessert.
Yes, it is time for happy endings because we are at hashtag happy foods. So we also have another special dessert for you. So yeah.
Cheesecake bite we have.
Miss Nutritionist, so what is your say on cheesecake dessert में खाने के बारे में?
So we don't use sugar. We use stevia, which is an organically extracted sweetener. I don't even believe in using chemical-based sucralose that people usually use. Not taking brand names, but I use stevia, which is a very natural extract from a plant which is also called as madhuparna in Marathi. You can taste it.
So guys, this looks awesome. Actually, you can see a food art around in the dish. So it is food art all over the dish. So it is beautifully crafted cake, we can say. So yes, let's have cheesecake.
First you have to use this knife.
Okay. So I'm sorry. Can you please?
As I said, Chef Ali Khan.
So yes, let's.
So again, it's baseless. It doesn't have a base like a normal cheesecake has with flour and everything. No, it's got no base. It's just a bite of cheesecake. I call it a bite of heaven. You can name it something else if you want to.
I'm speechless. It's so awesome. It melts down as soon as it goes into your mouth, and it has a sweet flavor but not sugary flavor, and it's not too sweet, so the sweetness is perfectly balanced. So yes, अगर आप डाइट पे हो और यहाँ चीज़ केक खाना चाहते हो, so आइए पेट भर के चीज़ केक खाइए. So
yes, you don't have to miss out on any desserts. Not just cheesecake. We've got rabdi. We've got
Baked rasmalai.
baked rasmalai.
So what? So ये तो हमने देख लिया. तो what else do you recommend कि यहाँ आके खाना चाहिए?
If someone really has to come over here and enjoy some really good food, which is my personal favorite, I will recommend the pomodoro soup. I'm not telling what it is. It's just the pomodoro soup. That's what chef calls it. And my personal favorite is the Firangi keto meal. It has a Mexican omelette, a Canadian chowder soup, and a French cheesecake. So that's a complete meal for one person. It's called Firangi because it's from all different countries and served here. So other than that, there is a lot other things that we have in our menu. Majorly, we have a big subscription menu. Over 300 dishes in a subscription menu. So for at least 2 months, none of the dishes get repeated. You are on a diet, not eating bland food, eating good-looking food, and still lose weight.
So as we discussed early, you have mentioned a flourless pizza. What about it?
The flourless pizza. Yes, it's got no maida, no gehu, no chawal, no dal. And no almond flour, which people think is a diet-friendly flour. So it's completely flourless, and it's got a cheesy crust. It's got a cheesy topping to it. A lot of veggies and chicken toppings as per people's choices. Tasty, mouth-watering, melting in the mouth, and still diet food.
So I'm sure I'll have to make one more visit for it. And so what would you tell our viewers about coming here, or how would you invite them?
Oh, I will invite people by saying that this is the place to come for healthy food. You don't have to worry when you come over here, and then once somebody visits, they're like every day there's some or the other thing coming in, and there's a lot of taste to it. There's a lot of flavor to the foods because we make it with love and with passion. As I said earlier, my passion is to make Pune healthy and still eat tasty food. So that's how I would invite people that please come and taste our pizzas, our sandwiches, our biryanis, everything. All the things that people think biryani to diet में नहीं खा सकते हैं, पिज्जा नहीं खा सकते, खा सकते हैं, आइए और खाइए.
I just had one and it was really awesome.
Yes, so we have a lot of variety. We've got a lot of desserts also. So please do come visit us. We've got coffees. We've got keto coffee as well. So we've got a lot of different types of diets. We've got salads. We've got paleo menu. We've got a salad menu. As I said earlier, we've got a keto menu, a balanced food menu. We also have a special muscle gaining diet for all those gym freaks out there. So yeah, there's a lot.
So guys, मैंने तो बिना झिझक, बिना फैट का कुछ भी फिक्र किए सब खा लिया है, और आप भी यहाँ आइए, खाइए, एंड लाइक द वीडियो, शेयर द वीडियो, कमेंट ऑन इट एंड टेल मी हाउ द फूड हियर वाज. तो आपको यहाँ पे आना ही पड़ेगा, एंड सब्सक्राइब टू माई चैनल एंड प्रेस द बेल आइकन सो दैट यू गेट नोटिफाइड ऑफ माई एवरी वीडियो. ईट हेल्दी, स्टे हेल्दी, आदियोस.